All the students, please be concentrated on it. Yes. Just wait for 1 minute. Yeah, all the students, listen carefully here. There is a based on the rate of reactions and what the factors are affecting. Already we are discussing. Okay, what is the factors are affecting? We are discussed already. Now we are going to discuss about the remaining concepts. So what there is okay now. Yes, practice sheets are there. In this one, page number 13 it is. Okay, page number 13. Once go through the level 1 questions. Level 1 questions. What is the answers of the level 1 questions? Once check it out, all the students now. There is the first one. The surface area. The surface area is the greater in. Okay, now in the which month there is a surface area is the greater. The given what actually small particles, powder particles, larger lumps, and the crystals. Okay, the crystal is nothing but it will be yes together it will be there. Okay, and also the small particles are nothing but there is a particle is become small, the surface area is also become small. Okay, and when you are taking larger lumps, that is also not a given. Yes, the surface area is the greater one. Okay, just which one is a given greater one here? There is a powder form. Already we are discussing. There is a powder contains of what actually there is a very large numbers. When you take the simple chalk piece and it will be make a powder, it will be surface area of this one is increases or not. When we are taken here, it is only occupy this much only. But when I am right here, okay, now there is a number of particles are totally filled by this board. Okay, clear or not all the students? By using one chalk piece, I possible to fill by this total board also. Okay, why? Because it is a contain inside powder. Okay, now it will be completely converted as a powder, and then I am applied here. The total board may fill. But when I am touched with this chalk piece, only this area. Okay, clear or not all the students? Suppose in case one rotation may complete, this is only the area covered. But when I make it is as a powder, it will be totally covered this total board also. Okay, that is why there is a surface area is increases with the powder nature. That is why the answer is the what? B. B or C? B. Next one is the rate of reaction is approximately double when the temperature is increases by the 10 degrees. Okay, now by the 10 degrees only the rate of reaction is become double. Okay, clear or not all the students? We already discussed it here. Yes, the ratio of the rate of a constant for reaction at two different temperatures which differ by the 10 degrees is called the temperature coefficient. Okay, now for every 10 degrees only we are considering it is yes, that is the double increased by the 100%. The example they given here, yes, 10 degrees centigrade from 293 Kelvin to the 303 Kelvin. The collision frequency can increase by the factor only 1.7 degrees, but usually the rate of reaction is the double. Okay, the page number 11 it will be there once check it here. Okay, clear or not? There is a 1.7% factor may increase it by the 10 degrees of temperature. Yes, means what? 100 degrees, 100% of temperature, 100% of rate of reaction is increases for every 10 degrees here. Got it or not? Yes, you substitute in the formula also, you'll get it. Okay, for every 10 degrees, it will become double. Rate of reaction is will become double. Next, third answer. Yeah, factors affecting the speed of the chemical reaction does not include it. Okay, now the rate of reaction is affecting by which things? The particle size of reactant, pressure on a reactant, concentration of the reactant, volume of the reactant. The volume is not affected, already we have discussed. Okay, now overall value, there is how many number of particles are involved. Okay, now we are discussed or not. Suppose you take some of the square, okay, now then it will be square. The volume is become same when we are cut also. The volume is become same, but surface area is changes. Why the surface area changes? Particle number is increases. Now it is taken as a one particle only. But when we cut it, it is the number of particles are increases. But volume is the same or not? Volume is the same. Why? Because length into breadth into height is not changes. Okay, suppose you take a 3 meter, 3 meter. But when we cut it is 1.5, 1.5. When we cut further, it will become what? When we cut further, it will become what? Yes. 1 by 1, 1.52, it will become 0.75. But whatever maybe the length is a decreases or height is a decreases, but overall multiple is become same. That is why the volume is not affected the rate of reaction. The remaining all affected the rate of reaction. That is why the answer is become D. Third answer is become D, and the second answer is also become B only. Okay, and the next one is fourth one. Fourth one it is. What is that? Many catalysts are. Many catalysts are. You know very well what is the catalyst here. Yes, the catalysts are contain the what? Rate of reaction. Increases the rate of reaction without involving in the reaction. Okay, in the last class we are already discussed. The answer is what actually transition elements. You don't know somewhat about this. Some metals are you know, and non-metals also you know. Okay, now transition elements are most of the catalysts are transition elements. Why? Because they contain oxidation nature and as well as the more reduction nature, and the easy losses electrons. Okay, clear or not all the students? And they contain a more rate of reaction compared with other elements. Okay, noble gases, inert gases, these all are what? Contain the zero reactivity. Okay, clear or not? That is why only there is we are using that whatever our transition metals only. Transition metals. That is the fourth answer is B. Fourth answer is B. First, all the students, please note down the answers of whatever we are considered for it. Yeah, next one is we are taken it is about actually we are taken it is remaining three questions. One second. There is a what we are taken. The first question. The fifth question is a level 2. Level 2 it is. What is that? Level 2 questions are they given? Speed of a reaction can measure through. Okay, how you can measure the speed of reaction? There is a three factors are involved in speed of reaction, not the rate of reaction, the speed of reaction. The rate of reaction is a totally different from speed of reaction. Okay, rate is nothing but the time taken for it. Okay, clear or not? That is not depending on the speed only. Here, there is a how to we calculate the speed of reaction here. The speed of reaction is nothing but there is we are taken it is about actually the first component here. Pressure is given. Pressure is not yes measure the speed of reaction. It affects the speed of reaction. Okay, clear or not? And angle of the concentration, it is also affect the speed of reaction, but it is not measures. Okay, and angle of the particle size, it is also affect the speed of reaction, but it is not measures. Then it is a value. Okay, now value, how much you are taken it is. That is only give the speed of reaction, not only the value. There is a three factors mainly measure the speed of reaction. First, time. Okay, clear or not? Next one is the number of particles involved in that. Okay, particle size is different from number of particles is involved in that. Got it or not? How many number of particles are involved in that? Yes, and as well as the time taken for it is, and as well as the value. How much value is occupied by our reactants. The three factors are affect or measure the what? Speed of reaction. Got it or not? Not only the value, the remaining two also important. What is that? Time and number of particles in that. Yes, any particular reaction. The answer is what here? The answer is taken as here C. Okay, now volume of gas given off. Okay, clear or not? Not only the value, okay, value and as well as the time and as well as the number of particles. Okay, three are okay. Now, yes, the three components are affects the whatever affects the speed measurement. Okay, clear or not? Not only the single thing, but the answer is the what? Volume. Yes, next sixth one. Yeah, listen carefully. Time taken for it. That is also measure the speed of reaction. Yes, next one it is about actually sugar cubes dissolve more slowly in a hot drink than a yes granulated sugar because what actually okay there is about a sugar cube dissolve more slowly in hot drink than yes granulated sugar because of what actually surface area of the sugar cubes is the less. Surface area granulated sugar is the more. Okay, B, A and B here. Yes, none of these here. Okay, yes, this is only the example for our okay affecting factors here. Yes, there is a granulated sugar, nothing but small pieces and other powder we are considered. And there is about a cube here. When you take as a cube, it will be contain less surface area. Granulated sugars are contain more surface area. That's why the both A and B is the answer. Okay, what is the answer here? Both A and B here. The surface area concept is it. Okay, clear or not? Yes, there is a what dissolving of the sugar is the one rate of one of the reaction here. The reaction is totally depending on which one surface area here. In case you take a cube, it is a less surface area is there. When you take it is a granulated, that will become what? That will become what a powder, and it will be contain available of more particle compared with that cube. Okay, and next seventh answer. Next seventh answer. According to the collision theory, increase in temperature increases. Already we are discussing. Temperature is nothing but kinetic energy. Okay, now of reaction. Yes, and according to the collision theory, increase in temperature increases of kinetic energy of reactant and the heat energy of reactant. Both are here. Understood, all of you? Yes, heat energy of the reactant and kinetic energy of the reactant. Collision is nothing but what? Heat only. Okay, heat is coming because of what? Collision. Once check it now, there is a very cool. When we are taking it like this, there is a heat is produced or not? Okay, now, and there is this is only produce what? Well, how it is produced heat? This is a rubbing. Rubbing nothing but it will be contain somewhat velocity. Okay, clear or not? There is a more where make it is a fast, more heat is generated. Okay, clear or not? And more heat is generated automatically. Yes, the more reaction is also going on. That's why the answer again it will be what? Yes, both A and as well as the B. All answers are C only in a level 3 questions. Okay, please note down. And there is the reasons, whatever I am given, to write it in your words. Okay, now behind of that answer, you have to write your reasons also. Yeah, next level 3 questions. Any question here given? And what they given in the nitric acid manufacturing require the catalyst. Here, what the catalyst is required for the preparation of what it is? The preparation of nitric acid. Okay, clear or not, all the students? There is a what? Actually, the manufacturing of the nitric acid. There is a what we are taken. That is the platinum we are taken. Okay, clear or not? For oxidation of ammonia. How we are prepared? There is this nitric acid. We take HNO3. Yes, prepare it from the where? From the ammonia we are consider here. Yes, when we are the first step of a manufacture of nitric acid. Nitric acid of what? HNO3 is the catalyst of oxidation of ammonia. We take ammonia and we oxidate this ammonia under the platinum. Under the platinum, we'll get the what actually? We'll get the this HNO3. Understood, all of you students? Yes, that is why the what the catalyst we are used here. Platinum is used for the preparation of nitric acid. Okay, clear or not? Yes. Next, in certain value, as higher temperature, what happened? Increase the concentration of gases, decrease the concentration of the gases, yes, the liquefy the gases, yes, and other the reaction may not occur at all. Okay, yes, when they are taken a particular value at a higher temperature, what happened? Okay, now in the gases, what happened? Yes, concentration of the gases are increases. Okay, now and as well as decrease the concentration of the gases. No, it is not a correct. There is a increase the concentration of the gases. Okay, now the best example is there is only we already discussed it, that is greenhouse effect. When the temperature is increases, there is a concentration of the some gases are increases. Okay, clear or not? Next, the rate of decomposition of hydrogen peroxide can be exhibited through the what actually? Yes, the rate of hydrogen peroxide. Okay, now we already discussed it now. That is about that hydrogen peroxide. Okay, rate is a totally decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. Yes, can be expedited through the what? Magnesium oxide. Already we are discussed this is in our class. Okay, now clear or not? Yes, the answer is what? B for it. Okay, and the next eighth answer is okay. What is the eighth answer? This is the platinum. That is the answer is C. Eighth answer is C. Okay, the ninth answer is A. Okay, the tenth answer is we are taken it as what? A B. Why? Because there it is a works acid. The magnesium oxide is the works acid. What actually? Yes, catalyst for us. Okay, now when you take hydrogen peroxide is nothing but H2O2. It will be dissolved, a decomposition of nothing but it's a converted as hydrogen gas and as well as the oxygen gas. But when we add it, there is a manganese oxide for it is okay, na magnesium oxide for it is sorry, manganese oxide or magnesium oxide. Yes, then it will be converted as a what? Hydrogen gas and as well as the oxygen gas. Okay, clear or not? Yes, it will be done in a fast mode. In that, when we are taken, it is in a catalyst time and discuss it with you. Okay, already. That is only the 10th answer is B. Yes, manganese oxide. That is works as a catalyst here. Generally, rate of reaction is increases with. Okay, now there is a given what actually there is a given somewhat information increase of concentration. Yeah, it is increases. You know very well. Why? Because the 11th one answer is the what it will become. There is we already discussed it. What it is 11th one. First one answer we are taken about rate of reaction directly proportional to the S C to the power of C. And the rate of reaction is increases with the temperature. Why? Because it is increased with the temperature, the kinetic energy of the particle is increases. That's why the rate of reaction also increases only. And the next one is what we are consider addition of negative catalyst. The negative catalyst is the decrease the rate of reaction. There is a two types of catalysts are there for us. One is a positive catalyst, negative catalyst. Either the catalyst every time the catalyst is not increase the rate of reaction, it affects the rate of reaction. In what mode? Either may increases or may decreases. Got it or not? The rate of reaction either may increases or may decreases. It is any one of the reactant, one of the component may consider. Okay, that is only we are taken. The rate of reactions are not the rate of reaction here. There is both the components we are considered here. One is a concentration, another one is a temperature. That's why the answer is the become what? Yes, there is a D. Answer is D. Both A and as well as the B. Got it or no? Hope you got it. Both A and as well as the B are the answers. Yeah. Next one. Already we are discussed here. Before that, level 2 only we are discussing. Yes, for every 10 degrees, rise the temperature, the rate of reaction is become double. Okay, clear or not? Now only we are discussing. That is the 12th answer is what? The 12th answer is double, it is B. Next, 13th one. 13th one, what it is? The rate of reaction that does not involve the gases. It's not depending on. Okay, clear or not? If the rate of reaction does not involve the gases, is not depending on what actually. In case there is no gases. Okay, now. Yes, it is a temperature, concentration, catalyst, and as well as the pressure. Okay, clear or not? Yes, does not involve the gases. In case we are not used any gases in our reactant, it is not depending on. Okay, now. Yes, what it is actually? Yes, it is depending on pressure. No, it is not depending on a pressure. Temperature. Okay, now the temperature is the compulsory for the gases. Next, concentration. Okay, now the concentration is also either may it is a solid or may liquid it is. Okay, what is the catalyst? Okay, now yes, the catalyst may not. Okay, now depend on the catalyst it is. Okay, in case the gases are not there, catalysts are not depends here. That is the what 13th one. The answer is D. Okay, please note down these all answers for the students. 8th one is a C, 9th one is A, 10th one is a B, yes, 11th one is a D, 12th one is a B, 13th one is a D. Yeah, next there is a more 2 questions are there in a level 3. Okay, now yes, there is a reasons are important. Already we discussed it so many times. The reasons, so many times I repeated the questions are there. Okay, now and somewhat may you don't know. There is about the transition elements. Till now you don't know the platinum, nickel. Okay, now these are called the transition elements. They are belonging to the yes, whatever the third A group elements to the sixth, seventh A group elements in a periodic table. Actually, the periodic table you know very well. Okay, now yes, there is a 117 elements are arranged in some particular periodic table based on the periodic property. Okay, now some elements are there in a transition mode. Okay, now yes, from where from the third A groups to the first A and second A groups are not called the transition elements. Yes, from that there is it is a content somewhat transition elements are there. Yes, like that some components may not till you are not get. Okay, now in your chemistry, somewhat it is a new topic. Your total chemistry IIT foundation is a new concept. Stoichiometry, rate of reaction part 2. These all are not contained in our school levels. That it is there. It's a matter, it's a pure lesson is there. Na? In that one, there is a components are there. Concentration, dilution. Okay, clear or not? And the solvent, solutions. Okay, percentage of solutions, percentage of solvents. Okay, these are the main components are you have in your yes textbook. Okay, both concentration. What is the concentration? You know very well. Okay, unsaturated mixtures or unsaturated mixtures. These all are. Okay, now yes, are fundamentals for it and extension of the topic only this one. Okay, now we are going to the 15th question. Level 3, there is the 14th and 15th questions are there. 14th and after the 15th. What is this 14th question? Which of the following decrease the rate of reaction? Okay, decrease the rate of reaction. Decrease of concentration. Decrease the rate of reaction only. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Decrease the concentration. Decrease of rate of reaction only. Why? Because R is directly proportional to C to the power of n. Okay, now the concentration somewhat decreases. Rate of reaction also decreases only. Okay, clear or not? Increases means increases. Okay, it's a directly proportional now. Next one, increase the temperature. Yeah, increase the temperature, increase the rate of reaction. And the next one is addition of negative catalysts. Yeah, it is a decrease the rate of reaction. Then answer is A and C. Both A and C. That is answer is the D. Okay, clear or not all the students? Yes. And next one. Under the given set of experimental conditions, with increase the concentration of the reactant, the rate of reaction is become increase one. Okay, clear or not? Yes, that is the first thing only. Under the experimental conditions, with increase the concentration of the reactant, the rate of reaction is increases or not? Yeah, it is increases only. Why? Because the same formula. Okay, the rate of reaction is increases, the concentration is also increases. Now there it is taken as answer is increases. The answer is the B. These are the answers of the students for this level 1, level 2, and as well as the yes level 3 questions. Got it? Once look at that, and the remaining whatever IIT advanced practice components are there, tomorrow we are going to discuss. Okay. Any doubts in any question? Any doubts? Thank you all. Okay, if you are not completed this, everywhere you have to should write the reasons. Every question may not get the reasons of what direct questions are there, but where it is a reason required, you have to write like this: R to the R is directly proportional to C to the power of n, and as well as the negative catalyst is that decreases the rate of reaction. Positive catalyst is increases the rate of reaction, like that. Got it? Yeah, I hope.